There's a lot we can find out about people's opinions and preferences just by asking a few simple questions. Whether you want to better understand your customers' demographics or uncover the right participants for a study. Conducting an online survey is an easy way to get the insights you need, fast. Use questions by Optimal Workshop when you're looking for answers. You can choose from a variety of question types to discover the data you want, how you want it. The ability to add images or wireframes and choose from over 80 different languages means you can gather an even deeper level of insight from participants around the world. It's the perfect companion for your other Optimal Workshop studies. It gets rid of the need for a third-party survey tool, so all your key findings can live in one place. Easy-to-read analysis means you can disseminate the data you need in no time and make customer-focused, informed decisions. Discover the answers you need in a way that's easy, flexible, and trustworthy with Questions by Optimal Workshop.